So in this video, I'm going to show you how I built this fully draggable interactive project page using AI tools only. No traditional coding from scratch. I used Lovable for creating the structure, Claude to generate the draggable interactive system, and Codex by OpenAI to integrate and fix the code. And honestly, the hardest part was not building it, it was fixing all the small interactive bugs after everything was connected. Like the broken navigation and the draggable card overlapping. But eventually I fixed that all, and in this video I'll show you the entire workflow step by step. First we're gonna create the website on Lovable. There we're gonna create an amazing homepage, also the blank project page. So I'm gonna be using this website to create the structure ideas. I'm gonna take all that. I have already created a screen recording of this website, then implementation plan and everything we need. So I'm gonna just paste the prompt right over here. This will create the website for us, but we need to add the reference link. This link, copy and come over here, paste. Okay, now let's add the screen recording of the website. Go to attachments, file. Then we need to add the implementation plan. So I have already created an implementation plan. You can find all the assets. There will be a link in the description. Go there, you will find the Notion template. And I'm gonna just add that implementation plan. Just like that, we have added the implementation plan, and there's a video, link, and implementation plan. Everything is ready. Now let's make sure you are in plan mode, not build mode, plan mode. And after that, let's just enter. And this can take about 2-3 minutes. It will first create the plan for us, read that carefully, and then you can add changes if you want, and there will be options for that to add changes. And then if all according to your liking, just approve and it will build your website for us. As I said, there is our plan, and this is the plan. Read it, and if you want to add changes, go here and tap on title or heading or anywhere, and then go ahead and approve. Just like that, we built the website. I'm gonna just open a new tab. So this is the website. I'm gonna just scroll, and this is the hero section. Hero section is looking fine, and there is about section, there is selector works, and then there is get in touch and the footer. Also we have an empty project page, and here we gonna add the interactive feature. So I'm gonna just download the whole code. For that, all you need to do is just link to your GitHub and then grab the code. Simple. This is the whole code. I'm gonna just download in zip file and then convert to normal file and move to your VS Code or any platform you are using to custom things. And this is VS Code, and here go to files and open folder. So this is the unzipped file, and I'm gonna just open it. So this is the whole code Lovable has created. Now let's go to chat and move to our Codex. So I have already created a draggable feature using Claude, and this is the draggable feature, and we're gonna add this to our project page. For that, I'm gonna just let's paste the prompt. So download in HTML, download, and here we're gonna add that file. So we have added that HTML file, and all we need to do is just enter. And just like that, we build everything and it's completed. Now let's see the result. So this is the home page. Let me just full screen it. So this is the home page. As you can see, home page is working really fine. But what we need to see is our project page. So let's go to project. And just like that, we have come to project. And let's see if it's draggable or not. Yeah, it's draggable. We can see here we can add your own images or the client images or the things you work on, stickers or anything you want. You can add here and people can drag around. And when we scroll, we can scroll all these sections where, okay, there is a bug here. And when we, okay, this is also bug. I'm seeing if it's disappear or not. Let's try to grab. This one is working. Okay, this is gone. Whenever I try to grab, it's disappearing or going down. It's not just disappearing. It's when we try to grab, it's going down. So the cursor and the card has something issues, but we can fix that with a prompt. I found 2 things. Do you think what else is missing? Yeah, it's the header. We didn't add the header yet. So we need to add the navigation in the project page, and also we need to fix the dragging issue. Okay, just like that, we have fixed everything. So there was 2 problems we have faced. First is the navigation issue and the draggable issue. So the navigation is fixed using this prompt. You can find the prompt in the Notion template I have attached, and you can find the link in the description. And then there is a draggable issue. Some items were not draggable, so we have fixed that too. So this is the prompt I have used to fix that. Now let's see the result. So let me start with the home page. So this is the home page, and if we are here, we can scroll down. So everything is working fine, but the main issue was in project page. So let's see the project page. So this is the project page, and as you can see, the navigation is working fine. When we scroll down, as you can see, the navigation is working, but when we go to the top, it's disappear. And when you scroll down, you can see the navigation is working. Now the second thing was the draggable issue. Some cards were not draggable, so let's see if everything works or not. So let's start counting. There is about 51 items. So first one, 50 and 51, total of 51 items, and everything is working just like that. Counting was a bit hard one, but I did it anyway because I want to show you everything is working. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe. I will see you in the next awesome video.